Good afternoon. I am truly honored to stand in front of you on behalf of my fellow graduates. This is the time to celebrate our achievement and recognizing our efforts and hard work, not only by the graduates, as well as with the important person for making this moment possible. Our journey never ends. This is the start of a new milestone. To our teachers and class advisor, this could not be possible with your guidance. We would like to thank your patience and showing compassion for us and bringing out the best in your students. To our family, your love and support inspires us to become a better version of ourselves. I would like to take this opportunity to show gratitude to our beloved parents. Thank you for always giving us your time by considering our welfare. You always make us as a priority. You are always there and we truly appreciate it. Thank you for your love, encouragement, and sacrifices you made along the way. When we fail, that was you feel the pain. When we soar, you feel us our pride. You are truly our inspiration and strength. Our dear parents, we love you. Lastly, to our God Almighty, we leave everything to your will and cherish all the graces and glory that we received. Thank you and God bless us all.
Thank you so much, Mr. Joaquin Marie Adobe, for that speech. Graduation songs are more than just melodies. They are anthems of resilience, memories,